In this video, I'm going to show you how to export deals from HubSpot. Now to do this, you want to go to your dashboard, then you want to go to the left and hover over CRM, and you want to click on Deals. Inside Deals here, you can see there's going to be this export button at the top right. When you hover over it, it says Export View. So to export your deals, you can simply click on Export, and there we go. As you can see, you're exporting all deals right now. You can go and select the export name. I'm going to keep it as all deals. You can select the format. It could be CSV or XLS or XLSX, which are comma-separated values, or Excel. And then from here, you can select the language of column headers. A bunch of languages are available. And you can also customize different things down here if you wanna. Click on the export button and the export is gonna start processing. Once it's done, you'll receive an email as well as this pop-up up top, which you can just click on. So you can click on this button over here and it's automatically going to download it onto your computer. You could also go and click on track export and export audit over here. And then you'll be able to see your exports over here. You can just click on them and they're going to download onto your computer. Super simple, just like that. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.